All right, let's talk about how you can make a letter equal a number in Excel. So here I just have this table. I have letters A through Z, and then here I want that letter to equal a number. So for example, I want A to equal 1, B to equal 2, C to equal 3, so on and so forth. Now there's a simple function in Excel that you can use to do this. And real quickly, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you really want to. So we'll select the adjacent cell, and that function is going to be equals code. And then I will simply select the letter and hit enter. Now if I click and drag this down, we'll notice that it's not giving us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. For some reason it goes 65, 66, 67, and you'll notice that this letter is lowercase and it jumps to 100. If we were to do an uppercase D, that should be 68. So Excel does distinguish between upper and lowercase numbers. So we need to modify this formula or function a little bit in order to get it to display 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. So we'll type equals code, and then we'll type the function upper to make sure that all of the letters that we select will be turned into an uppercase letter. We'll select A or cell B3, end parenthesis, and then we'll end another parenthesis, and then we're simply going to subtract 64. Hit enter, and that's going to give us 1. And if we double click this square in the bottom right corner, that formula will copy all the way down and give us numbers 1 all the way down to 26 for each letter of the alphabet. So if we change this to B, that'll switch to 2. If we change it to C, it'll switch to 3, so on and so forth. So there we have our formula determining what number that letter equals. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button on your way out. Thank you, and have such a great rest of your day.